Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest product reviews. Today, we've got something spicy and flavorful in store for you. Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning. If you're a fan of bold and savory flavors, you're in for a treat. Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning is renowned for its authentic Louisiana taste, and many consider it the best Cajun seasoning on the market. Here's why you should consider adding this seasoning to your spice collection. Slap Ya Mama delivers that unmistakable Cajun taste that'll make your taste buds dance with delight. This seasoning is incredibly versatile. You can use it on a wide range of dishes, from meats and seafood to popcorn and fries. Slap Ya Mama is committed to quality, and that means no MSG in their blend. It's also kosher, catering to various dietary preferences. Whether you prefer the original, hot, or white pepper blend, Slap Ya Mama has a variety for everyone's taste. But that's not all. What sets Slap Ya Mama apart is its rich history and the dedication of the Walker family, who hail from the Cajun heartland of Ville Platte, Louisiana. Ville Platte is not just famous for its Cajun seasonings. It's known for its unique culture, including modern-day jousting tournaments and Chico State Park. It's a magical place, even by Louisiana's high standards. The story begins back in 1956 when Wilda Marie Fontenot Walker gave birth to Anthony Walker, affectionately known as T.W. He had a vision to create a Cajun seasoning with authentic pepper taste but without the heavy salt content. T.W.'s sons, Jack and Joe, played a pivotal role in the seasoning's creation, rolling an antique glass pickle jar around the family deli. Soon, Slap Ya Mama was born, named after the idea that when you use this seasoning, your food tastes so good you'll receive a loving slap on the back and a kiss on the cheek. Now, let's talk about the product details. Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning comes in various sizes, from 4 ounces to 1 pound and more. It's kosher and consists of simple yet flavorful ingredients: salt, red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. You can sprinkle a little on your meats or chicken for that big Cajun flavor. It's a little salty, a little peppery, and a whole lot of deliciousness. But don't just take our word for it. Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning has received rave reviews from satisfied customers worldwide. With a 4.7-star rating and over 43,000 ratings, it's clear that people love this seasoning. People are using it to elevate their dishes, from salmon and pumpkin seeds to grilled chicken and boudin balls. The possibilities are endless. So, if you want to add a taste of Louisiana to your meals and experience the best Cajun seasoning around, give Slap Ya Mama Cajun Seasoning a try. It's the perfect blend of tradition, flavor, and quality. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more honest product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!